loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I just finished work and we're going to be tackling my master bedroom. We're basically going to just be tidying this area back up. The kids were playing while I was working, and of course I make my bed in the morning time when I get up, but this is what it looks like right now. So we're going to just get this place here cleaned and tidied up, and then I'm going to head into the kitchen to get dinner started for them. And I also just need to do a quick pickup and quick cleanup in the kitchen. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video and me showing you guys sometimes what a day in the life is like of a working mom when you have things to tackle after work. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Oh, and just to let you know, I do pick up little things here and there through the day when I get up for break and those type of things. If there's toys around or, you know, there's cups laying down, those type of things, I definitely pick up those things through the day. So there won't be a lot of things for me to get done once I finish working, because, you know, you've been on the computer all day. Once you finish working, you really don't have time or really want to be bothered with that. But I hope this inspires you guys, and gives you motivation to get some things tackled around your home. And if you're doing some cleaning up with me today, let me know in the comments what you're doing. And I also let Mason help me. If he has toys and things like that out, I let him help me get some of the things cleaned up. He may not get it done all by himself, but I definitely let him help me so he can learn to pick up after himself. You can't just let the kids throw things down and then don't learn responsibility of cleaning up after themselves. So he definitely helps me get the place tackled, as well as Zoe, if she has cups and things laying around, and make her pick those up too.
Stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face, yeah. Every single day just stays the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? They
day before we had a little birthday celebration for my father-in-law, so I just wanted to go ahead and get this stuff here cleaned up, get the balloons down, give them to the kids and let them go ahead and play with them and pop them, and just continue getting the kitchen cleaned up.
Just broken dreams, I wanna feel again. I don't know how we ended up like this, how sad it seems. Now can we try again? I won't if you won't, so tell me, can we try again? My heart almost stopped. Can we try again? I wanna know what you're thinking of. You wanna stay or you wanna go? Babe, I can't handle this anymore. I'm about to break. Whatever done, what have I done? If I'm not the one, I'm not the one. Your feet, my feet won't.
Now that I let the chicken marinate a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and get it put into this pan, or sorry, this dish, and then go ahead and get it into the oven. And I believe I did set the oven to 425 degrees, and I think it only took about an hour to an hour and a half for everything to be done. And that's also the time it took for me to go ahead and get the kitchen and everything cleaned up as well.
'Cause I won't if you won't, so tell me, can we try again? My heart almost stopped. Can we try again? I don't know how we ended up like this, so tell me, can we try again? Oh yeah, I don't know how we ended up like this. Can we try again? 'Cause I won't if you won't, so tell me, can we try again?
So you guys notice I like to basically clean as I go. So as I'm cooking, once I finish using something, I definitely go ahead and get it washed up right away, because I don't like to have things sitting in the sink and lying around while I'm cooking. When my dinner's finished, I like to have a clean kitchen, so the only thing I have to worry about once dinner is done is just cleaning up the dishes after the kids and myself once we finish eating. And I'm just wiping off the microwave, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the ingredients together for the chicken. And here I'm just using some barbecue sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, and I like to basically, mix my own sauce. I tweak it in a sense. I add in, if I want to add honey, I'll add honey in there. Right now I'm adding in some tomato paste, and I also add in some brown sugar, mix it up, and voila, it tastes so good. So definitely I like to sprucing up my barbecue sauce when I'm making chicken or baking any type of, meat.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional,
I did sweep the floor the night before and I mopped, so right now I'm just doing a quick sweep of the floor and also a quick mop. I'm using my old cedar mop and I just put a little bit of the Fabulosa in there with some warm water, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe up the floor. I have been trying to keep up on the floor lately because of the dust and also the dog sheds, so I just want to make sure the floor is clean. And now I'm just going ahead and real quick getting these potatoes together. And if you guys have not tried these potatoes, you should definitely check them out. It tastes like peeled potatoes and it's a quick, easy way to make a meal for your family.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh.
Doesn't this meal look so good, y'all? I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and definitely remember to like and leave me a comment below and subscribe. See you guys next time.
Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can get my head around how we used to be.